How to create a poll on Messenger. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now, in order to create a poll on Messenger, first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection. As a check on the connection, launch the Messenger application on your device. Here, select the profile that you would want to have or make a poll on. You generally can create a poll in groups. So as you tap on one of the particular group chat, simply tap on this plus icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. Here you can see the option of poll, so just tap on it. Now you just have to enter the question. So let me ask. So you can add your options over here by tapping on yes, no, add another option maybe. So you can just tap on create poll. As you tap on create poll, here you have created a poll on Messenger. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.